Welcome everyone, it's Miss Gisa. Today we are going to work on the Constructive Triangles Box 2. It's very important before you watch this video that you review the Constructive Triangles Box 1 or actually do the activity if your child has never done that activity before. The Constructive Triangles Box 2 teaches children that plane geometric figures can be constructed from triangles. Each of the constructive triangle boxes contains different sizes, colors, and shapes of triangles. Box 2 shows children that they can make new shapes by joining two triangles. Let's do it together. Okay, so this is rectangular box number 2. Remember, you don't need to have this at home. I have included the triangles in your activity packet for this week. So the first step is to take out all of the pieces. And I like to match up the two pieces that are going to go together. We're going to make 4 different shapes out of triangles. Rhombus, trapezoid, rectangle, and square. Again, that's rhombus, trapezoid, rectangle, and square. Don't forget to send me a picture of your constructive triangles when you're finished. If you enjoyed today's lesson, remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe so that you never miss any future lessons.